Welcome to this video on setting up the new VPN client on your Windows machine at the New Brunswick Community College. So we're going to begin by going in the lower left-hand corner of your computer. So on your Windows machine in the lower left-hand corner, there's going to be a little search box in here. So I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to search for something called the company portal. So if you don't have access to the company portal, you can reach out to our IT help desk and somebody will be able to help you get it installed. So once I search for the company portal, here I can just click on the app. Now for some of you, when you select that as an option, you're going to get a window potentially that pops up like this. So choose the best category for this device. And so you're just going to select the staff option right there. And so once it opens, what I'm looking for is the app titled 40 Client VPN 7.0.1. So this is our new VPN that we're using at the New Brunswick Community College. And so if you don't see it on the initial list here, you can just do a search right here for it. So you can just search for 40 Client VPN and then just do a search and it should come up. Now, if it happens not to come up, again, you can feel free to reach out to our IT help desk and somebody will be able to assist. So I'm just going to click on the little app here that comes up, and in the upper right-hand corner of the screen here, I'm just going to click the install button. And so once I click the install button, it should just take a few minutes to install on my computer. And so once it's finished installing here, I'm just going to close the company portal up here in the upper right-hand corner. I'm just going to click the X here to close it. And so now what I want to do is, again, right in the search box right here at the bottom, I'm just going to click on that. And I'm going to look for the 40 client. So I just put in FORTI and it should come up for you right here, the VPN app. So I'm just going to click on it and then choose open here. And then it should just take a second to open the SAML login. And so once the SAML login page opens up here, you just want to make sure that the VPN name is selected as NBCC. And then you're going to choose SAML login. You're just going to press that button right there. Now, some of you may get this window right here pop up. This Windows Defender firewall has blocked some features of this app. And so if you happen to get this pop-up window, what you can do is just right here, choose the cancel option. Now, if you accidentally hit the allow access on the prompt, then when it gets to the next window, you can just select no. Okay, so you can see here that right after I've chosen to authenticate in, I can see here that I am successfully connected here to the VPN, and so I'm good to go. I can just close the box right here and begin using the VPN. And so when you want to sign out of the VPN, there's actually two ways you can do it. You can go in here, right in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Right here, there's like a little arrow pointing upward icon, I guess, that you can click on right there. And there's, in my little toolbox right here, I guess in the upper left-hand corner here, there's a little 40 client icon. So I can just right-click on my mouse there and choose to disconnect NBCC, and that will just disconnect me from the VPN. Or you can just go down here into the search box again and open up the 40 client app here. I can just select it right here, or I can do a search for it here in the box and just select it. And when the window comes up here, I just have to choose disconnect. So you just wait for a second until it successfully disconnects, and you'll see here in the lower right-hand corner that it is the VPN connection is down, meaning that it is disconnected. And that's it. So this concludes the tutorial on setting up the new VPN at the New Brunswick Community College.